Hello lovely people, you're welcome back to your Roots Academy, and this is lesson 2 of our essay tutorial or essay training. Now in this lesson we are going to learn how to enter values and how to edit and also how to adjust our columns. So we are going to do 3 things. The first thing is how to enter values into the Excel worksheet. Then the second one is how to edit our text. Then the third one will be how to adjust our columns and rows. Now let me delete this this sheet so that we get only one sheet. Okay, then let me delete these cells to these values. Now I want you to do this simple exercise for me. Just follow me. Go to A1, go to A1, cell A1. So as of now you should know where cell A1 is and how to identify whether you have selected cell A1 or not. So if you click on cell A1, so that the name box will show the name of the cell. So you have cell A1. Now enter numbers, just numbers, the text numbers there. Then immediately you finish entering, just hit on the enter key. You see that it will move the active cell to the next row, which is A2. Now enter these values, 3, then hit on the enter. Another let's say 4, hit on enter. Then 7, hit on enter. Good. Now we have this in our sheets. Now these are numbers, but we have a text here showing numbers. This text here is showing us, or is working as a heading for these values. It's showing us that these values are numbers, but maybe you want to change the heading. You don't need to just hit on it and delete it. So we are going to learn how to edit our text from the formula bar. So let's first locate our formula bar. So this is our formula bar, and this is the text that we want to edit. So the moment you want to edit a text, you can just go to the formula bar, just hit anywhere in the formula bar, anywhere, just hit on it. You see that the cursor will be inserted at the end of the text. Now anything you want to do with the text, you can do it. You can delete it, you can select, you can click on the backspace to delete a text. You can do anything to it, any editing format that you have, any formatting idea that you have, you can do it to it. You can format it anyhow. So you can just select it by click and dragging. Then you go to the font. You can make it bold, you can make it italics. You see that, let's check it. You see that the effect is taking place from the cell A1. You can equally underline it. You can change the font size. You see that they have the font name here, the font size here. You can equally change the font size to, let's say, 28. See that it has changed. You can use this button here to also change the font size. So this one will decrease the font size and this one will increase the font size. So if you click on this, it's like to move from 28, 26, 24 downwards. Then if you click on this, it will move it upwards. You can equally change the font name. You have the Calibri. the Caribbean font. So you can click on the small arrow here. You have a range of cell fonts that you can select from. You can select from the area black, area normal, area the arrow, and area narrow, Times New Roman, Comic Sans. So many fonts you can select from any of them. You see. So that is what, how to edit a text. So if you just want to delete one text from it, you can just select on it. You select the text, or you click on the formula bar, just hit on backspace to just remove the S from it. Then hit on back on enter. So that now it is showing the text. But you see that the text is filling the whole. It's filling about 3 rows. But we don't want that. We want it to be in only cell A1. So this is what you are going to do. You need to adjust the cell. So if you want to adjust the cell, you want to adjust cell A1. So you go to in between A and the next cell. So the next cell is B. So if you place your mouse in between it, you see that the mouse cursor will change to a cross with arrow on it, like a plus sign of the left and the right cross. If it immediately change to that, that means you click on your left button on your mouse, the mouse left button. You click on it, then you drag. If you are okay with the size, you just leave it. You see that now the cell A1 has been enlarged, the actual text in it. So that's the adjustment. Equally, we can also adjust the row. Just the same way you place the mouse in between the 2 rows, and you just left click, then you adjust, then you leave it. It will also adjust it for you. So that's it. So this is what, how to enter values in the text and how to enlarge it. How to enter values and how to enlarge it. Then how to edit the text. Okay, so please, if you have any question, you can just hit on the comment button, add your comments, and I'll just respond to you. Or you can equally contact me on my WhatsApp number, and this is the WhatsApp number 0240 519088. This is a class, and I want to urge everyone to contribute, comment, just comment anything that you want to know, and I'm ready to help you. So I'll end here with this lesson. In next lesson, we are going straight to another interesting thing in Excel. There are more to learn, so stay new to this channel and you get more. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Try to share our videos. This is the only way you can support us. Your Roots Academy is not a money-making institution. We want to make impact. So help us to make impact in people's life. Help us to create job for people. Help us so that we also help you. God bless you as you share, as you subscribe, as you like, as you hit on the notification to get the next tutorial. Your Roots Academy is out. Bye bye.